Right now, hundreds of people are generating tens of thousands of dollars from the TikTok and YouTube monetization program by creating an account and posting easy-to-make videos over 1 minute long. TikTok is paying creators the same as YouTube, meaning some people are getting seriously rich. In this video, I'll showcase an exact step-by-step blueprint for creating content that's engaging, entertaining, and goes viral. This content will be in a new, untapped niche that has only recently started to go viral on social media, meaning it's extremely early and now is your best opportunity to start before it becomes saturated. I'll also reveal a few secrets explaining why this niche goes viral. I'll now play you a clip from this niche and then explain how you can create this content yourself, all for free.
Where are you at? You told Mark you could work night shift tonight.
No, I did not. I told Mark I couldn't work Monday.
You told him you couldn't work in the morning, but you could work normal hours.
As you know, I found out yesterday my dad passed away. I'm gonna go ahead and at least take the 1 day, get a week off to mourn his death. I am so sorry for any inconvenience this will cause you.
My uncle died a few days ago. I lost my grandma. Stop being a victim.
Mail me my check, I quit, and go yourself.
The best sub-niche of these texting stories focuses on bad employers and their actions. This niche is extremely effective because it's known as rage bait. The story will annoy many people as they may have had similar experiences in their workplace. This is actually a good thing because it will lead people to comment on the video, which in turn will boost the video in the YouTube and TikTok algorithm. Step 1. Ensure your account is eligible for the TikTok Creator Rewards Program, also known as the Creativity Program. It's only available in certain regions. If your account is outside these regions, you need to get an account with access. Step 2. Gather text messages. The first thing we need for this content is text messages between a boss and an employee. Since we can't ask random people for these texts, we'll use a site like Reddit. Head to Reddit and search for the anti-work subreddit. This is full of people engaged with our type of video. Sort by the top posts of all time and find a set of text messages between an employee and their boss. Save all the images to your device. Step 3. Extract text from images. We need to convert these images to text. Head to a website called imagetext.io. Upload your image to the site, hit convert to extract the text, and then copy the text. Step 4. Generate voiceovers. Now that we have our text messages, we need to generate voiceovers that sound like real people. Use 11 Labs, which is free for a certain number of characters. Create 2 voices, one for each person. For the boss, choose a deep voice to brand them as stern. For the employee, choose a softer voice to make them relatable. Sample a few and add your chosen ones to your voice library. Paste the text for each person and generate the speech. Download the voiceovers to your device. Step 5. Gather background gameplay. We need background gameplay like Minecraft parkour. Search for Minecraft parkour on YouTube and find one that isn't overused. Download it using a YouTube downloader by adding pp after YouTube in the URL and choosing the highest quality. Step 6. Download sound effects. Search for iMessage sound effects on YouTube. Download the send and receive sounds as MP3 files using the same method as the parkour video. Step 7. Edit the video. Use CapCut for editing. Import everything gathered so far. Drag the 2 voiceovers onto the timeline, placing one on top of the other. Split each voiceover where each text ends. Position the voiceovers one after the other, like text bubbles in a conversation. Next, add the Minecraft parkour to the timeline. Adjust the ratio to 9:16 for shorts format and enlarge it to fill the screen. Add the text message images to the timeline. Set the duration of each image to match the corresponding voiceover section. Crop each image to show only the current message. Position the images on the screen, leaving room for the next messages. Finally, add the sound effects. Use the received sound for the boss and the sent sound for the employee. Export the video and upload it to TikTok and YouTube. For more resources, check the links in this video's description. Good luck.